Hi, it's Dan from Beaver Brewing, and we're here for episode 5 of Cooking with Beer. And today, we are going to get a beer can, shove it up a chicken's ass, and make some of the best chicken you've ever had in your life. We're going to get one of the ingredients we need for it now, and that is garlic. You don't actually have to have fresh garlic. Grated is fine, or the stuff you find in the store. You see, it doesn't have a bulb on it quite yet, but these greens taste just like garlic, and we're going to use these in our chicken today. Super simple. Outside the chicken, those garlic chives we picked, some sage, rosemary, pepper beer is great. Step 1, clean the chicken. We are going to give our friend a little bit of a wash under cold water. I'm going to pour a little bit of beer right on top of it. See that right there? We're going to put this beer can right here, and the legs will go right on top of it. Chicken's going to sit upright, very politely. We're going to chop up all the herbs that we picked, and if you don't have fresh ones, you can use dry. Those will work too. Okay, at this point, we're going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on top of it. A bunch of those herbs that we have, we're going to put right in the top of our chicken and right in the inside. There's a hole on both ends here, one for the head, one for the butt. We're just going to rub the other stuff all over here and give our chicken a nice massage. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This is how you're going to know when your chicken is done. You want to put this in the fattest part of the chicken, right in the breast. That way you'll know when it's done. 180 degrees is what you need. See that? That's an oven rack. It's not in there. We don't want it in there. We need a lot of space for that chicken to hang out. All right, our chicken is done. That looks beautiful, nice and toasted. Let's pull that out of there. 2 hands for this thing, safety first. This is really hot, so we're going to transfer this carefully because there is still beer in there to here. Make sure you're wearing gloves. We took this out of the oven, and you can see we did this out over our sink because we didn't want the beer to explode all over our place, but it's nice and golden brown. We're going to put tin foil over it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. The chicken is cooled, now we're going to cut into it. Even after we cut into this, you can see the inner part still very moist, very flavorful. Even from a frying chicken, we get like 3.5 pounds of meat on here. Really good stuff, some dark meat, some thigh meat, really nice chicken, and it took about an hour to do. Beer, chicken, food. It's that easy. We have all of our beer on sale at beaverbrewingcompany.com. It's $5 off whatever you order. We're on episode 5. We plan on doing 20 of these each year. So we got 15 more to go. So if you have any ideas, let us know. Thank you very much for watching. Live well, laugh often, love much, and you'll be much better off for it. Thank you. Have a good one.